I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Oof, I'm back. I'm back with another video. Hopefully you guys enjoy this one. This is like part 2 of when you cough, but instead of when you cough, when you sneeze. So it's kind of like a part 2 thing. Yeah. Also, if you would like to follow me on TikTok, I know that's crazy nowadays. I'll put the link in the description. I didn't really post it. I didn't really post any videos. I might post something. I don't know. I just I don't know. But if you, I'm just putting it out there. If you would like to follow me on there, I'll put the link in the description. And yeah. So and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Are you serious right now? You serious? Are you joking? Again? Do we have to go through this again, man? Really? I was sitting here, minding my own business. You came out of nowhere. Bro, like, we can't keep doing this, man. We can't. Yeah. You better be sorry. Remember what happened last time? Remember you were coughing, right? You were coughing, and then you ran away, huh? Yeah, from me, and then I came after you. We ain't doing this again. Alright? We ain't doing this again. Okay? I did it once, I ain't doing it twice. Hear me? Yeah, man. Hear you, man. Sorry, just need to sneeze, man. Come on. I don't need you sneezing all over me, alright? This is my area. This is my bubble right here. Alright? You don't go through my bubble, alright? Damn. Disgusting. Sorry, man. Sorry. Yo, it's okay if I borrow your... Oh. I'm so... I'm so sorry. I'm really... I hope you guys enjoyed. That was probably, to be honest with you, that was probably like the best video I've ever made so far. Besides when you cough, it's probably like one of my best videos I've ever made. So, I think, I don't know. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Tell me if I should do more of these. Tell me if I should do less. I don't know. let me know. And also, as I said in the beginning of the video, if you would like to follow me on TikTok, my TikTok is in the description. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.